Welcome to our math class. I'm your teacher, Sir Omar. And today's lesson is about fraction. So when we say fraction is part of a whole or set. Let's say for example, a whole pizza. If you slice it into parts, that shows a fraction. Now let's count how many slices are there in a whole pizza. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 slices of pizza. Now, if you are going to share one part of that pizza to your friend, what fraction of the pizza is given to your friend? That is 1/8. Okay? So, sharing is caring, but not the virus. Don't share the virus. Okay, we are going to discuss about the kinds of fraction. First, we have proper fraction. By the way, what we call these numbers on the top of the fraction is what we call the numerator. The number below is what we call the denominator. Okay? Denominator. Okay? Since when we say proper fraction, the numerator is always lower than the denominator. Okay? So this one is what we call 1/2. If we're going to write another fraction, let's say 2/4, 3/6. These three fractions, 1/2, 2/4, and 3/6 are all equivalent fractions. Why do we say equivalent fractions? Because all of them are equal. Okay? Ang tawag natin dito sa fraction na ito is lowest term. Kapag sinabi natin lowest term, yung dalawang number, numerator and denominator, wala silang common factor. Pag titignan natin yung 2 and 4, may common factor which is 2. 3 and 6, ang common factor nila ay 3. Therefore, ang tawag natin dyan is higher term. Okay? Lowest term, higher term. Paano tayo maglo-lowest term? Let's start, for example, 2/4. I-divide lang natin yung common nila. Since ang common nila ay 2, so divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. So 1/2 na rin siya. So naka-lowest term na. Same with 3/6. Divided by 3, magiging 1. Divided by 3, magiging 2. Therefore, magiging 1/2 din siya. Another example, 5/15. Common ng 5 and 15 is 3 divided by 5 divided by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So ito ang lowest term, ito yung higher term. Okay? So tandaan niyo yung paggawa ng lowest term para sa paglo-lowest term laging tatandaan lang natin yung kanilang GCF. Okay? Next, improper fraction. Pag improper fraction, makikita nyo yung numerator and denominator, pwede silang equal. Tandaan ninyo, kapag equal ang numerator and denominator is always equal to 1. Okay? 10/10 or 10/10 is equal to 1. Another example of improper, 3/2. Okay? Mas mataas yung numerator than the denominator. Did you know that improper fraction is related sa mixed number? Pag pwede natin gawing mixed number ang improper, paano? I-divide lang natin yung numerator. How many 2 and 3? There are 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Subtract 3 minus 2 is 1. So yung remainder niya, yun yung magiging numerator. Yung divisor natin will be the denominator. So therefore, ang 3/2 ay parehas lang sa 1 and 1/2. Nakuha? Let's try another example. 5/3. So to change it into improper, divide it into 5 by 3. How many 3 and 5? 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Subtract 5 minus 3 is 2. Get the 2 as the numerator and 3 as the denominator. So therefore, 5/3 is equal to 1 and 2/3. So naging mixed number. So mixed number is combination of whole number and a proper fraction. Okay? Paano na naman natin siya ibabalik sa improper? Yung mixed number, ibabalik natin siya sa improper is we just multiply and add. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. Then copy 3, the denominator. Okay? One more example. 2 and 1/5. Just multiply and add. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1 is 11. Copy the denominator, 5. Improper na siya. Okay? Next, similar fractions. The word similar means the same. Ano yung the same dito sa given? Yung kanilang denominator. Pare-parehas. Okay? Kaya tinawag siyang similar fraction. Pag sinabi naman natin dissimilar, the word dissimilar means different o magkakaiba. Magkakaiba ang mga denominators. Pwede ba naman natin gawing yung dissimilar into similar? Yes. Para mag-change ng dissimilar to similar, hanapin lang natin yung LCM. Yung previous lesson natin. Ang LCM ng 3, 2, and 5, since wala silang common, multiply lang natin sila. 3 times 2 is 6, times 5 is 30. Para maging similar fraction sila, lahat sila gawin nating 30 yung denominator. So 30 divided by 3 is 10. Times nyo yung nasa numerator, 2 is 20. 30 divided by 2 is 15. Times 1, 15 pa rin. 30 divided by 5 is 6. Times 1, 6. So makikita nyo, similar na silang lahat. Ang 20/30 or 20/30 pares lang sa 2/3. 15/30 pares lang sa 1/2. 6/30 pares lang sa 1/5. Okay? So ang pag-change ng dissimilar, hanapin lang ang LCM. Okay? Now, let's proceed in adding and subtracting fractions. Let's start first with addition. Number 1, 2/5 plus 3/5. Since they are similar, in adding similar fractions, we just add the numerators. So 2 plus 3 is 5. We will just copy the numerator. Okay? 5/5, a while ago, we said that fraction with the same numerator and denominator is always equal to 1. Okay? Next, 5/7 plus 1/5. So as you can see, they are dissimilar. So anong unang step natin? Hanapin natin yung LCM ng 7 and 5, which is 35. Papalitan natin na para silang 35. Since we just multiply the denominators itself, mag-cross multiply na rin lang tayo, no? So, or 35 divided by 7 is 5 times 5, 25. 35 divided by 5 is 7 times 1. Nakuha? Ulitin natin. 35 divided by 7 is 5. Tapos, i-multiply nyo sa numerator, kaya naging 25. 35 divided by 5 is 7. Multiply natin sa taas. 7 times 1, kaya naging 7. Okay? Now, let's add. 25 plus 7 is 32. Copy 35. Now, naka-lowest term na ba yung 32 and 35? Yes. Kasi ang factors ng 35 ay 7 and 5, while 32 is 8 and 4. So, wala silang common. That is already final answer, naka-lowest term. Okay? Next, 2 and 1/4 plus 3 and 1/4. Okay? We will just add the whole number. 2 plus 3 is 5. 1/4 plus 1/4. So, 1 plus 1 is 2. Copy 4. Ngayon, yung 2/4. Anong napapansin nyo sa 2/4? Mayroon pa silang GCF or common factor. So, ilo-lowest term nyo siya, no? Para yun yung magiging final answer natin. So, ang common factor ng 2 and 4 is 2. So, i-divide natin sila sa 2. Copy natin si 5. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So, ito yung ating final answer in lowest term. Okay? Next. 3 and 2/3 plus 4 and 4/5. We just add the whole number. 3 plus 4 is 7. 3 plus 4. Then, hindi sila magkamukha or dissimilar fraction. Hanapin ulit natin yung kanilang common factor or LCM, I mean. So, 3 and 5 ang LCM nila ay 15. Okay? So, ipa-plus natin siya sa 15 ulit. 15 divided by 3 muna. 5 times 2, 10. Okay? 15 then divided by 5. is 3. I-times 4 natin, 12. Nakuha? Okay, then we can add kasi similar na sila. So, copy nyo si 7. 10 plus 12 ay 22. Copy yung 15. Now, anong napapansin nyo sa fraction natin? Improper. So, sabi nga natin, ang improper, pwede siyang gawing mix. So, paano? I-divide lang natin si 22 divided by 15 para maging mix. Ilang 15 sa 22? Mayroon siyang isa. 1 times 15 is 15. Then, subtract. 22 minus 15 is 7. So, kunin natin si 7, tapos copy si 15. Therefore, ang 20 to 15 ay parehas lang sa 1 and 7, 15. Dahil meron siyang whole number, idadagdag natin kay 7. So, magiging 8, tapos copy natin yung fraction na 7, 15. Nakuha? So, 7 and 15, naka-lowest term na yan. So, our final answer is 8 and 7, 15. Okay? Next. Punta tayo sa subtraction. Yung rule ng subtraction and addition ay parehas. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-subtract kung hindi similar. Okay? Now, ang isa-subtract din lang natin is yung numerator, which is 3 minus 2 is 1. Copy lang ulit si denominator. Huwag kayong magsasubtract sa denominator. Basta similar na sila, no? Ngayon, pag dissimilar, parehas din sa addition. Gagawin din natin silang similar muna. Okay? So, sabi nga natin kanina, ang LCM ng 7 and 5 is 35. 35 divided by 7 again is 5. Times natin kay 5, 25. 35 divided by 5 is 7. Times 1 is 7. Ngayon, similar na sila. Pwede na tayong mag-subtract sa taas lang. 25 minus 7 is 18. Copy 35. Tanong, ang 18 may common ba sa 35? Wala. Kasi ang 18, ang factors niya ay 6, 3, 9. Samantalang si 35 ay 7 and 5. Okay? Therefore, that's our final answer. Next. 3 and 3/4 minus 2 and 1/2. Makikita natin, hindi sila common. Okay? So, palitan muna natin si 1/2 and 3/4 sa common or para maging similar fraction sila. So, ang LCM ng 2 and 4 is 4. So, same lang si 3/4. Ang magbabago lang si 1/2. So, yung 1/2 para maging 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2 times 1 is 2. Okay? Nakuha? So, ang LCM kasi nila ay 4. Kaya si 3/4, same pa rin siya. So, we can already subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 2 is also 1. Copy the denominator. Therefore, 3 and 3/4 minus 2 and 1/2 is 1 and 1/4. Okay? Last. 15 and 2/5 minus 12 and 4/5. Okay? Similar na sila, so wala natin problema. Pero mapapansin nyo, mas maliit yung numerator sa una kaysa sa 4. So, 2 minus 4 cannot be, no? So, anong gagawin natin? Magbaborrow tayo kay 15. Sa pagbaborrow sa fraction, so, hihingi tayo kay 15. So, si 15 magiging 14 na lang siya. Ang ibaborrow natin is kamukha lang doon sa denominator. So, ang parang binarrow natin is 5/5. So, idadagdag natin yung 5/5 sa 2/5, kaya magiging 7/5. Okay? Para mas malinaw, yung kinuha nating 1 doon kay 15 ay 5/5. Magkamukha sila kay 2/5. Kaya dinagdag natin, 5 plus 2 naging 7, copy 5. Or in short, pinag-plus lang natin yung numerator and denominator. Kaya naging 7. Okay? Then, copy 12 for 5th. 14 minus 12 is 2. Pwede na tayo mag-subtract. 7 minus 4 is 3. Then, copy 5. Therefore, our answer is 2 and 3/5. Okay? Very good. Okay, it's quiz time. You are going to get a piece of paper and answer the following 5 questions. You're just going to add or subtract the given fractions. Are you ready? Okay. Number 1. What is 1/7 plus 3/7? You have 10 seconds to answer. Okay, time's up and the answer is 4/7. Correct. Question number 2. What is 2/5 plus 2/3? You have 20 seconds to answer. Okay, time's up and the answer is 1 and 1/15. Okay, why is it 1 and 1/15? Because the answer is in improper form or improper fraction. 16/15 is equivalent to 1 and 1/15. Number 3. What is 2 and 2/3 minus 1 and 2/5? You have 20 seconds to answer. Timer starts now. Okay, time's up and the answer is 1 and 4/15. So since dissimilar yung 2/3 and 2/5, ginawa nyo silang similar fraction. Okay? Let's have number 4. A word problem. Samantha prepared orange juice. She mixed 1/4 liter of orange juice and 1 and 1/2 liters of water. What is the total number of liters of liquid that she mixed? You have 20 seconds to answer. Okay, time's up and the answer is 1 and 3/4. Very good. So, importanteng uminom tayo ngayon ng mga fruit juices para maging malakas ang ating immune system. Next. Last number 5. Cindy bought 10 and 4/5 kilogram of ground meat. She used 7 and 2/3 kilogram to make lumpia. How many kilogram of ground meat were left? So the keyword there is left. So ano kayang operation? Is it addition or subtraction? 20 seconds starts now. Okay, time's up and the answer is 3 and 2/15. So the operation we use is subtraction. Very good. Thank you for watching and listening.